Hey there, thanks for clicking. Today on HISD Now, the board votes tonight on school closures. We also have an update on future two schools. Also, the Cullen Military Academy cadets in action with the University of Houston. Plus, I'm giving you a much closer look at Sterling's aviation program. And HISD students shine as rodeo season kicks off tonight. It is Thursday, February 26th. We begin with tonight's board meeting. The HISD Board of Managers is expected to vote on the proposed closure of 12 schools. Now, we want to remind families that resources are available right now at houstonisd.org. Just click on Campus Closure Resources. There, you'll find detailed information and answers to many of your questions. And as a follow-up to recent campus meetings, families at impacted schools should have received a letter through Parent Square. Those letters include more campus-specific information, including next steps. So be sure to check your Parent Square if you haven't already. We'll have one more tomorrow, and we'll have much more, that is, tomorrow on HISD Now. Now, meanwhile, families at Gregg Elementary met last night to learn more about the school's transition to a Future 2 campus. Starting in the 2026-27 school year, Gregg and C. Martinez Elementary will transition to a pre-K through 8th grade campus. Now, Future 2 schools are designed to combine strong core academics with a focus on skills like problem solving, leadership, collaboration, and critical thinking. The model is built to help students develop the skills needed in a modern and rapidly changing world and workforce. Now, this is all part of Accelerate Houston, HISD's plan to modernize our schools and our programs. To learn more, we have additional details posted on the Accelerate Houston webpage. I'll drop a link right below. So I stopped by Cullen Middle School this morning and I got to see a great example of students learning from students and true community partnership in action. So Cullen is home to the Cullen Military Academy, and these middle school cadets welcomed cadets from the University of Houston this morning. And together, they ran and trained on the obstacle course in the back of the school. Now, it was a powerful moment of mentorship, leadership, and real-world learning. Take a listen.
We are partnered with the University of Houston's ROTC program, and we coordinated with one of their cadets because they wanted to do their physical training today on our obstacle course because they don't have their own course. And we are just 4 minutes down the street from the University of Houston.
What does it mean for your students then?
Oh, the opportunity to see what their future could look like.
I call it the 3 Ps, physical fitness, partnership, as well as personal accountability, and discipline and character development that ties all in one. We're trying to create a mentorship program and expose our students to something beyond high school, beyond middle school.
And this right here will probably get some of our students interested in attending college at University of Houston, which is right down the street, where we can go back and they can come back here in the future to visit our cadets later on down the road.
My favorite part about running this course is we get to use teamwork. We get to get better. We use our muscles. That's helping us build in the future problems that we might have. And I think I made the right choice to come into Cullen Military Academy.
And if Cullen looks familiar, that's because we featured the campus in our Campus Close-Up series. Now, we put together a playlist with all of those stories, and I'll drop a link right below, or just tap that title banner right there to watch. And speaking of Campus Close-Up, we're at Sterling High School this week, and for today's story, I'm taking you to the skies. Did you know that Sterling is home to the district's only aviation high school magnet program? Students here are getting hands-on, career-focused training in aviation, aerospace, engineering, and skilled trades. The program blends rigorous academics with real-world experience.
Would you believe this point of view belongs to a pilot?
Now, for this story, I talked with students in the program, including one who showed me the school's flight simulator. Now, we also met an engineering student because aviation, maintenance, and engineering go hand in hand. And here's something else. The certifications students earn here will save them and their parents thousands of dollars. The story is up on the channel right now. Well, the rodeo cook-off kicks off tonight, and it's already looking like rodeo season right here at Hattie May. Student artwork selected for the 2026 Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo is now on display in the front lobby. And out of more than 850 entries, 16 HISD students will have their artwork featured at the NRG Center during rodeo season. And get this, 3 of our schools, Kinder, HSPVA, Mandarin Immersion Magnet School, and Roberts Elementary all got Best of Show awards. And the artwork from 8th grader Grace Jiang from the Mandarin Immersion Magnet School was selected as one of the only 90 pieces for the Rodeo's school art auction. Congratulations to all of these students. Before we go, a quick reminder about school choice. For K through 12 families, Phase 1 closes tomorrow, Friday, February 27th. If you don't receive your first choice, you'll move into Phase 2, which opens April 8th. And for our pre-K families, your Phase 1 deadline is April 17th. Lottery results come out on May 5th, and you'll have until May 11th to accept your seat. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.